Here are the steps to navigate the multi-chain portfolio and switch networks in the core web extension. First, you're going to want to open the web extension by clicking the icon. From there, it will display which network you are currently on and show this as active. If you would like to switch to a different network, simply click the drop-down menu and select that network from the list of options, and it will then display this one as active. Within each active network, it will also display the tokens that are currently added. And if you switch back to a network that doesn't have any assets listed, simply click the name and then click Add Assets, and you'll be able to do that there. You can also easily navigate by clicking from the list of available subnets and networks displayed on the main navigation page. For any additional questions, please reach out to support.avox.network, and an Ava Labs team member would be happy to assist you.